Kia ora whānau. We're going to do, this little song is for the kids. And it's called Purerehua. So you have to get your butterflies ready, alright? And your butterflies could be like that. Or you could put them like that. Or you could put them like that. Or you could put them like that. And when you go kāpiki, kāpiki, that means going up. Kāpiki, kāpiki. Alright. Okay, here we go. Kia ora te rā.